everyone. We're going to simplify this rational expression with addition and subtraction, and we're also going to have to divide because it's a complex one. The addition and subtraction comes because of this numerator. So let's just take care of this numerator first. So for the numerator, our LCD is you have to take both. So it's going to be r times r plus 2 because they're different. So that's your LCD. And to do that, we want r times r plus 2. And when you have two terms like that, you can just use the butterfly method. It's called that because if you have r plus 6 divided by r, but this is your new common denominator, means you have to multiply this by r plus 2. So that means you have to also multiply the numerator by r plus 2. Because when you divide these two, they give you 1, and it gives you back to what you were before. So that's why the butterfly method works. So let's do that. We have r plus 6 times r plus 2 minus, and then multiply r times 1r. So there's that. And let's go ahead and simplify our numerator. So we have to FOIL this out. That's going to give you r squared plus 2r plus 6r plus 12 minus r divided by your LCD, which is r times r plus 2. Now simplifying further, we have r squared, and we have 2r plus 6r is 8r, minus r is 7r, and then plus 12. Divided by r times r plus 2. All right, so that's the numerator. And now let's see if we can factor this. Yeah, we can factor this further, and I'm going to go ahead and do that here. So that gives you r plus 3 times r plus 4 divided by r times r plus 2. So that's what our numerator is, or basically this piece here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this page, and then I'm going to erase, but it'll still be there for you if you need to scroll back and look at it. So I'm doing that now. You can't tell that I'm doing it, but I did it. So now we have this. I'm going to erase. It's still there if you want to scroll back. All right, so now this is what we have. So I'm going to copy this down. R plus 3 times r plus 4 divided by r times r plus 2. Now, what we're going to do is we're dividing by this. So basically what you have is you have a divided by b, which is what we have here. This is like your a and b. And then divided by c times d, and I'm looking at this. I know it's kind of small. This is your c and d. But what you can do is you do a divided by b, keep, change, and flip. So we're putting this in the numerator. So I'm going to factor that, r times r plus 1. And I'm also going to factor the denominator. And that's going to be r, and 3's prime, so it's 3 and 1. So there we have it. And now we're just going to see what we can cancel out and get as our final answer. So when you do that, let's see, these cancel because r plus 3 divided by r plus 3 is 1. And these cancel out and the r's cancel. So all we're left is with this. So our final answer is r plus 4 divided by r plus 2. That's a r. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.